Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we are trying something new. As a girl who loves switching up her hairstyle every now and then, I've always wanted to see how yaki texture looks on me. And we'll be installing this one today from Luvme Hair. And the fact that this is from Luvme Hair makes it more exciting. It's their all-day comfort glueless wig, which means no glue, no hassle, just comfort all day. So let's just get into it. As you can see that the hair came in this beautiful box. Luvme just happens to have one of the most beautiful packages. So this is how it came packed. See, this is their layered yaki straight wig in 24 inches, and this is pretty long, which I love, with a 7x6 HD lace closure. And as you can see that the lace is already pre-cut, which saves so much time. So the cap came with a smart clip, this adjustable elastic band, a C-shaped ear tabs for comfort. So they claim this fits 99% head sizes, which is amazing. So just a quick recap, this is the Luvme all day comfort wig, layered yaki straight in 24 inches with a 7x6 HD lace closure, pre-cut lace, human hair, and the texture feels so natural, soft, lightweight, still has that realistic thickness that yaki is known for. So this is what the hair looks like up close. So inside the box we also have a hair clip, wig cap, dust bag, and instruction on how to install the hair. For installation, I just want to go ahead and prep my hair for like a flatter base. So this is the current state of my hair. So what I want to do right now is just to go ahead to remoisturize and then just put it up in a very tight bun. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly remoisturize, add my hair mist to it. Just because I'm in a hurry, I'm just deciding to do this, but if you have time you can just go ahead to properly braid your hair, but you want to make sure you keep it a bit tiny, not too chunky, so your hair stays nice and flat. Applying some leave-in conditioner. I'm just going in to apply my hair oil. You want to make sure your hair stays nice, hydrated while you still have your wigs on. Go ahead and apply some gel to my edges just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then I'm going in with this brush to smooth everything back. I'm just going to make use of these pins to hold down the pigtails. So this is what the back is looking like. Going in with a wig cap just to protect my hair. So since the wig is glueless, I won't need like a glue or a gel, so this is perfect. Now that everything is set, let's go ahead and put this on. Just going to go ahead and adjust this part. Okay, so first impression, she's snug but really comfy. I tend to have like a very small sized head, so most of the time I have issues with wig caps being too big on my head, but this one is really snug and also very comfy. So thanks to the stretchy wig cap, lace is pre-cut, as you can see, so I don't have to worry about having to cut the lace, trying to get it perfect. Everything is already done. But you can see that the elastic band is doing a great job at holding it down. And this is what it's looking like so far without me having to do anything. I haven't adjusted the elastic band, and this is looking pretty good. I love the fact that there is no too much baby hair to deal with. Okay, so I don't have to worry about, oh, what do I do with this baby hair and all that. And also I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the hairline looks super realistic. Like it looks so natural, as you can see. I don't know if that is showing up on the camera, but yeah, it looks so good. And my ear doesn't hurt, which is like a really nice thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, touch up this wig a bit, you know, just to bring everything together. I just love the layers of this hair. Like, this is just such a beautiful layered wig, and I love it. So I went in with my straightening brush. I love these layers though, so I don't want to lose them. So I'm trying my possible best to make sure I retain the layers exactly the way they are curved, if that makes sense, as you can see. And this is, oh my goodness, this looks so good. Going in to make sure I straighten everything out, just to show you guys the, you know, full potential of this unit. Ooh, this looks nice. As you can see that everything is all nice and neat. Ooh. Ooh. So just to show you guys what the full length looks like, this is what the full length looks like. So it goes all the way down to here, just in case you're wondering. So guys, I am honestly so impressed with this unit. Like I said, this is my first time installing the Yaki unit, and I just love how it looks. So one of the biggest reasons I love wigs like this is because I'm someone who doesn't really like stress when it comes to like installs or dealing with laces. So the fact that this is a glueless lace wig is a huge win for me, which means I can wear this all day long without worrying about like the lace lifting or like having to, you know, constantly glue it back down. So it's definitely giving a natural, realistic vibe, perfect for my natural girlies who love that silk press look without, you know, the heat damage. And another thing I really love is the versatility. You can decide to wear it with this natural side part it came with, or you can also decide to, you know, switch it up to like a middle part. Since there is like actually enough space to do that, you can actually coil this to, you know, add some waves. So it is not just like silk and straight, it can actually be styled to fit your vibe. And in terms of the look and texture, honestly, I have to say this is one of the most realistic Yaki straight wigs I've seen. So to me, it just has that beautiful silk press finish. It is flowy and it is lightweight. I also love the fact that it doesn't tangle easily and it doesn't shed easily as well. Overall, I think this is a gorgeous unit. So if you're someone who loves switching up their hairstyle every now and then, also want to give your hair a break from, you know, styling or over manipulation, but hates the stress of, you know, installing laces and all that, then this wig is definitely for you. All the details to this wig will be in my description box below, so definitely check that out. And don't forget to use my code NAYA02 to get 32% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.